In this video, I'll show how to create consistent reporting overviews in HTML, PowerPoint, and PDF using OpenAI Codex. While I'm demonstrating the workflow with Codex, the same approach works with virtually any agentic coding framework. The project is driven by an AGENTS.md file. This file defines the rules the coding agent should follow, where reports are stored, how files are named, which assets to use, and which files should never be modified. By defining these instructions once, every report is generated in a consistent way. First, I ask the agent to create an HTML overview report for a specific time period, for example, June 1 to June 16th, 2026. The agent fetches the reporting data, creates one card for each creative, and includes the most relevant metrics such as the thumbnail, impressions, CTR, VR brand, and preview URL. The visual consistency comes from two things. First, all reports use the same shared CSS file for styling. Second, the HTML defines a consistent card structure that every report follows. Together, these ensure that reports have the same layout, hierarchy, and appearance. Before creating the style sheet, the agent inspects the provided design reference in the screenshot and asks for confirmation or additional input. It also uses the company logo in the report header to match the desired branding. After generating the first report, I review the result and ask the agent to refine the layout, improve the styling, or include additional information such as estimated costs. The initial report becomes a template for future reports. Next, I generate another report for June 17th to June 30th, 2026. Even if the agent has no knowledge of the original conversation, it can produce a report with the same structure and design because those rules are already defined in the project through the AGENTS.md instructions, the shared CSS, and the HTML layout. Finally, I ask the agent to convert all HTML overview reports into a single PowerPoint presentation. Using the same HTML source, it can also generate a combined PDF. The key idea is to establish a reusable reporting framework. Once the project structure, styling, and report layout are defined, every new reporting period produces consistent outputs across HTML, PowerPoint, and PDF with minimal additional effort. In case you're interested to test Primo MCP, go to primo.design/MCP. Thank you and goodbye.